Hi guys, my name is Jessica. I am studying development and disorders in children. So that means I specifically look at children, for example, who struggle with maths and reading just because their brain is wired slightly differently. So today I'm going to be doing some crafts with you, and we are going to be making a rainbow out of Skittles. So to start off, we're going to need a couple things. We're going to need Skittles, of course. We are also going to need some glue and either a printed paper with a rainbow, or you can just do what I've done and create a rainbow using semicircles drawn on the paper. So to start with, we are going to sort our Skittles into the colors of the rainbow. Does anyone know what those are? So that's right. So we have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. So as you may have noticed, Skittles do not have blue. So if we take away blue, we are left with 5 colors. So now that we have all our colors sorted, we will start placing our Skittles in order on the line. So we're going to start with the smallest circle at the bottom. On this row, we will put our purple Skittles. So we just put a little glue and then press our Skittles into the page. Make sure not to press too hard because otherwise we will have squashed Skittles and the color will not be seen so easily, which will make our rainbow a little less pretty. So next, after we put our purple Skittles, do we know what color it is? Green. We'll be putting our green Skittles. And then we will go through, and once we've done our green Skittles, we will move to the next line and do our yellow Skittles. After yellow, we move to our orange Skittles. And finally, our red Skittles. So good job, guys. You have made your rainbow. If you are feeling like you want to add a little bit extra and you have a few extra Skittles left, you can add a little sun in the corner because we know that rainbows are made by sun and by rain. And then we can also, if you still have a few colors you may want to use, you could do a nice little flower like I've done. And this will just make it a little extra special. Later on, if you want, you can choose another picture to do, or you can make a challenge and find what other sweets and things that you could use. You could choose your favorite ones, so whether you like M&Ms or Smarties or Skittles, or even maybe if you want to use sprinkles, you can use those to create another pretty picture. So I hope you've had a good time with these crafts today, and I hope to see you again. Bye!